Game. Good afternoon, everyone. My report is cover and undercover. Cover and undercover operations represent another means by which intelligence and information are collected. This technique should be interfaced as possible. Cover and undercover operations involve the degree, within most cases, as feasible way to reach as high into the criminal of specialization and training. Ito yung kung ano kayo, familiar kayo sa cover and undercover sa mga napapanood nyo, di ba may mga tao doon na nagtatago ng identity nila para di sila ma-compromise. Kapag kunyari meron silang secret mission, tas meron silang under surveillance sa tao, ginagamit nila yung cover para itago yung kanilang identity. What is cover? Cover is means by which individual, group, or organization consists the true nature of its activities. So yun nga, yung cover is talagang kino-conceal nila o tinatakpan nila yung nature ng activity nila para ma-avoid yung compromise. It is used so that intelligence collection agencies, through the utilization of intelligence operatives, may operate with minimal interference from the outside elements, criminals, subversives, or otherwise. Several functions of cover. Offensive. From the word itself, offensive. This is give access to the target and facilitates the achievement of the clandestine objectives. So, ito yung offense na to, parang ito yung way para makapasok ka doon sa or makakuha ka ng information doon sa target nyo. Defensive, from the word itself, defense. This is utilize the prevent detection, or ito yung pagdidepensa mo sa sarili mo. Dapat talagang kapanipaniwala yung pagtago mo sa identity mo. Kaya nga, didepensa mo yung sarili mo para ma-prevent yung detection ng kalaban. Various nature of cover. This witting or unwitting. So, unwitting or unwitting, parang isang aware or unaware ka sa mga bagay. And the cover that is subject is to close scrutiny for an extended period of time will probably compromise. Cover might appear plausible to the user. So, dapat kapanipaniwala ka dun sa user. Kapanipaniwala yung pagkatago ng identity mo. Dapat mapapaniwala mo yung ibang tao na talagang trabaho mo yun, ganun. Yung ginamit mong cover is not used to the observer. The cover must provide undercover identity with the opportunity to get the work done. So, magpo-provide ka ng undercover identity mo, kunyari isa kang businessman, ganun, para um, madali ka makakuha ng information dun sa target. And then, broad concepts of cover. Cover for status. This is a cover that is general in nature and relatively permanently adapted to explain the work presence in any given area and general status in society of the undercover agent who is adopting a particular cover suitable in given covert operation. Cover for an action of given clandestine activity. This may be an extension of cover, poise cover, for it's a cover designed in driving away or allowing the performance of status. So, kunyari, na-compromise yung isa mong mission. Hindi naman sa totaling compromise, parang dami na kasi naghihinala, ganun. So, dapat meron kang second option, kumbaga, kung merong dapat second identity para, kunyari, mabuko ka, ganun. Meron ka pang plan B, kumbaga. And then, natural cover. A cover which completely fits the true background and capabilities of the agent. It provides maximum security protection to any clandestine activity and allows greater operational flexibility. So, kumbaga, natural cover, gagamitin mo lang kung ano talaga yung true identity mo. Leaving once in cover, the agent must make sure that every public action he or she takes fit his or her assumed cover, and that's a total picture presented to others accurately reflects this cover. Official cover. A cover is sponsored by an overt agency of a government. So, from the word official, so parang gagamit ka ng identity bilang isang trabahador or yun yung trabahador sa isang gobyerno, kunyari di sa munisipyo, lahat ng pwedeng pasukan na trabaho dun sa government, pwede mo yung gawing cover. And non-official cover. So ito naman kabaliktaran ng ang official cover. So parang isa ka lang ano, kunyari, dyan lang isa ka lang mamamayan dyan sa paligid. Cover adapted ay artificial cover using biographical data adapted by the undercover agent for a fictitious purpose. So gagawa ka ng isang identity na gawa-gawa mo lang. Kunyari, isa kang si Juan de la Cruz, ganun, isa kang businessman. Gagawa ka lang ng di kapanipaniwalang identity para mapaniwala mo yung mga tao. So requirements for cover. It must provide freedom of movement. So dapat kailangan di ka kailangan sa isang lugar na under surveillance mo, dapat malaya ka nakakapaglakad-lakad kung saan-saan para alam mo kung saan ka pwedeng pupunta if ma-compromise man yung isang mission. And then, it must protect the investigator to compromise. Dapat pinaprotektahan nyo yung isang investigator na mabuko. Di ba? It must be consistent with the social status of the target personalities. So, dapat consistent ka sa, kunyari, dapat alam mo pa rin yung mga possible information na ang tawag dito dun sa target mo. Kasi minsan nagbabago-bago sila ng location, di ba? O kaya yun. Dapat consistent ka sa social status nila. It must provide adequate leisure of time. So dapat mag-ano ka rin ng time mo dun sa pag-ano mo, surveillance mo. It must be sufficiently flexible to meet changes in the situation. So yun nga, dapat maging ready ka sa possible changes sa sitwasyon kasi nga minsan yung under surveillance na tao is nagbabago-bago ng location, dapat aware ka palagi doon. And it must be consistent with the financial resources available to the investigation. So yun nga, dun sa may financial resources, dapat kung nyari, pag nagpakilala kang businessman, dapat yung pera mo, dapat talagang dapat sapat talaga or sobra pa para, syempre ano yung businessman ka tas wala kang pera, di ba? Different types of cover, natural cover, it is the using of true actual personal background to fit the purpose of undercover operation. Artificial cover, a cover using biographical data adapted for the purpose that is fictitious. Cover within a cover. This is requires the use of secondary cover in case of compromise. So, this is a cover, dapat meron ka pang isang plan B na identity para if makompromise naman yung plan A na identity mo, is meron ka pang backup plan. Multiple cover. Ito naman, from the word itself, multiple, mas marami naman to, kumbaga sa cover within the cover, dapat marami ka, kung tatlo, ganun. Numerous hazard to cover. Static or dormant opposition, example, cigarette vendors, tricycle drivers, road maintenance, and utilities, and that. Static and dormant. So, itong mga examples ng cigarette vendors, tricycle drivers, kasi minsan yung mga yan, kunyari may makita silang bagong tao dun sa lugar, talagang titingnan nila or paghihinalaan nila yon kung sino yon. So, talagang malapit sa hazard yung mga ganito. Kunyari, di sila aware na undercover agent pala yung nakita nilang bagong tao na yon. Kaya yun, tas natiktikan nung under surveillance na mayroong ganong tao, di na-compromise na yung mission. In hostile active opposition, example, friendly forces who do not have need to know. Tapos ito yung mga may kaibigan tayo na, bakit ka pinabi nun na sa lugar nun, bakit ka nandito, ganito. Tapos di niya pala alam na meron kang under surveillance or isa kang undercover agent, di shower sa ganun. Ito yung mga talagang hazard talaga. Hostile active opposition, examples, enemy intelligence activities or process. So ito naman, yung parang active talaga yung mga enemy talagang kina-counter, kanila, kumbaga counter attack, kumbaga ganun, na parang under surveillance mo sila, tapos di mo alam, under surveillance ka rin pala nila, kilala ka pa rin nila. What is organizational cover? Organizational cover is an account consisting of biographical data which when adopted by an individual will assume the personality he wants to adopt. Objectives of the organization cover: to camouflage and protect operational personnel and their activities. Number 2, to protect the vital installation of which clandestine activities are based. Thank you.